What was the value for you starting out in Switzerland?
It's much easier in Switzerland because we also received a lot of support from different organizations. There is a lot of organizations who are pushing innovation here. I probably also know some of them, of course. So that's a very, very good environment. The ecosystem is pushing innovations out of the university. Also, ETH recently understood the value of startups and is helping a lot to push these technologies out of the lab to create companies. So I think ETH this year had the record of spin-offs, around 30 or 35, I'm not sure, but that was a record for new spin-offs from ETH.